This is my favorite part of the day. Take this off first. Absolutely love my husband. I made food, we just ate together, and he saw how exhausted I was, and he was like, go do your thing, and I'm just gonna take care of the kitchen. Like, I could not be more lucky. I love when I wash my face so good that half my lashes fall off. I'm gonna go shower real quick and I'll be right back. Does anyone else end up wearing their husband's shirt after a very long day? Because I do that. I don't know, I just feel more like literally at home. Also, I'm debating if I wanna take off these lashes or fix these lashes because this is like not, this is irritating me. At the subject of things irritating me, I have been breaking out like crazy ever since I came back from Egypt. I don't know if this is like a post traveling to a different country breakout or what, but this needs to stop.